If you have tried making money with AI and failed, it is not your fault. You are probably just doing it the wrong way. Every day, thousands of people open ChatGPT, generate some content, post a gig on Fiverr, and wait for money to appear. Then a week later, nothing happens. No clients, no sales, no income. So they conclude that AI does not work. But that is not the real problem. The problem is that most people are using AI the wrong way. In this video, I will show you the 5 biggest mistakes beginners make when trying to earn money with AI. More importantly, I will show you what actually works instead. By the end of this video, you will have a simple roadmap that can save you weeks of frustration. And make sure you stay until mistake number 4. It is the number 1 reason most people quit AI side hustles before they ever see results. Let's get started. The first mistake is selling raw ChatGPT content directly. This is probably the biggest mistake beginners make. They open ChatGPT, ask it to write a blog post, copy the answer, and send it to a client without changing anything. First, this sounds like an easy way to make money, but there is a big problem. Thousands of other people are doing exactly the same thing. Clients are getting smarter. Many of them can easily recognize AI-generated content. Even if they cannot, the writing often sounds generic. It lacks personality. It lacks real experience. And it rarely stands out. That is why many freelancers struggle to get repeat clients. Now here is the better approach. Use ChatGPT as your first draft, not your final draft. Let AI help you generate ideas. Create an outline. Speed up your research. Then add your own examples. Rewrite sections in your own style. Improve the introduction. Add useful tips. Check the facts. When you combine AI with your own thinking, the final result becomes much more valuable. Imagine a client asks for a fitness article. Instead of sending the first response from ChatGPT, you improve it with real examples, recent information, and a more natural writing style. Now your content feels human, and clients are much more likely to come back. Many beginner freelancers who consistently deliver quality work eventually earn anywhere from $10 to $50 per project. Sometimes even more. The lesson is simple. Do not sell AI output. Sell your improved version of AI output. That small difference changes everything. The second mistake is trying every AI tool at once. This happens all the time. One day people are learning ChatGPT. The next day they switch to Midjourney. Then Canva AI, then 11 Labs, then Runway. A week later, they are trying another new tool. The result? They know a little about everything, but they are not good at anything. Clients are not looking for someone who has opened 20 AI tools. They are looking for someone who can solve one problem really well. That is why the smarter approach is to master one AI skill first. Choose one service. Maybe content writing. Maybe thumbnail design. Maybe AI voiceovers. Spend the next 30 days getting better at that one skill. Learn how clients think. Improve your portfolio. Understand what makes great work. Only after you become confident should you move to another AI tool. Think about it this way. Would you rather be average at 10 different things? Or excellent at one thing people are willing to pay for? The answer is obvious. Many freelancers start with one service and slowly expand after building confidence. That approach usually leads to better reviews and more repeat customers. Realistic income depends on your experience and client demand. But focusing on one valuable skill gives you a much stronger foundation than constantly chasing the newest AI tool. Before we continue, let me ask you something. How many times have you started learning a new AI tool, only to quit a few days later because nothing happened? If that sounds familiar, you are not alone. But mistake number 4 is the exact reason most people give up on AI side hustles completely. And once you understand it, your expectations will completely change. First, let's look at mistake number 3. The third mistake is targeting random clients with no niche. Many beginners think they should offer services to everyone. They say yes to restaurants, yes to real estate agents, yes to YouTubers, yes to coaches, yes to online stores. They try to serve everybody. Unfortunately, that usually means they become memorable to nobody. The better strategy is to choose one niche. Become known for solving one specific problem. For example, instead of saying, "I write content for anyone," say, "I help fitness coaches create engaging blog posts with AI." Or, "I design YouTube thumbnails for gaming channels." Now your offer feels specific. Clients immediately understand what you do, and specialists usually attract more trust than generalists. Here is a simple example. Imagine two freelancers. The first says, "I can write anything." The second says, "I help real estate agents write property descriptions that attract buyers." Who would you hire if you owned a real estate business? Probably the second one, because they sound like an expert. The same rule applies to AI services. Whether you use ChatGPT, Canva AI, or another tool, focus on becoming known for one niche first. As your reputation grows, getting referrals and repeat clients becomes much easier. That is when your income has the potential to grow steadily over time. And now, we are about to reach the mistake that quietly destroys more AI side hustles than any other. Now we have reached the mistake that causes more people to quit than anything else. Mistake number 4. Quitting after the first week with no results. This is where most AI side hustles fail. Someone creates a Fiverr profile, or uploads a few AI-generated designs, or starts offering ChatGPT writing services. They wait for 3 or 4 days. Nothing happens. A week passes. Still no orders. So they think, AI doesn't work. But here's the truth. The problem usually isn't AI. The problem is unrealistic expectations. Most online businesses take time to build momentum. Clients need to see your profile. The platform needs data. You need to improve your portfolio. You need to learn what buyers actually want. That doesn't happen overnight. Think about going to the gym. You don't expect six-pack abs after 1 week. The same idea applies here. The first 2 or 3 weeks are often spent learning, improving, and building trust. Then something interesting starts to happen. Your profile gets more views. You receive your first message, then your first order, then your first review. Those small wins create momentum. Instead of asking, "Why am I not making money after 7 days?" Ask, "What can I improve today?" Maybe your thumbnail needs work. Maybe your gig description is too generic. Maybe your portfolio needs better examples. Keep improving. Many successful freelancers didn't make meaningful money in their first week. They succeeded because they stayed consistent long enough for opportunities to appear. The lesson is simple. Do not judge your progress after 1 week. Give yourself enough time to improve. That one change alone can separate people who quit from people who succeed. Now let's talk about the 5th and final mistake. Pricing your services too low just to compete. Many beginners think the fastest way to get clients is by charging the lowest price possible. $5, $3, sometimes even less. First, that sounds like a smart strategy, but it often creates the opposite result. Cheap prices attract buyers who only care about paying as little as possible. Those clients are often the hardest to satisfy, and they rarely become long-term customers. Instead, price your service based on the value you provide. Let's say you create a YouTube script that helps a creator get thousands of views, or you design a thumbnail that improves their click-through rate. That work has real value. Don't be afraid to charge fairly for it. This doesn't mean charging hundreds of dollars on day one. It simply means avoiding the race to the bottom. Start with competitive pricing. Deliver excellent quality. Collect positive reviews. Then slowly increase your rates as your experience grows. Clients usually care much more about results than saving a few dollars. Remember this. People don't always buy the cheapest service. They buy the service they trust the most. Focus on becoming valuable, not just affordable. So what is the biggest difference between people who succeed with AI and people who fail? Comes down to one simple idea. Successful people use AI as a tool. Unsuccessful people expect AI to do all the work. Here is an easy framework you can remember. Learn, practice, improve, repeat. First, learn one valuable AI skill. Second, practice it consistently. Third, Improve your work using feedback. Fourth, repeat the process until your skills become difficult to replace. That simple cycle works far better than constantly searching for the next secret AI tool. Remember, AI is not your business. The value you provide is your business. AI simply helps you deliver that value faster. If you keep that mindset, you will always have an advantage. So, are you using AI the wrong way? Maybe. But the good news is, now you know how to use it the right way. Don't copy and paste AI content. Improve it. Don't chase every new AI tool. Master one skill first. Don't target everyone. Choose one niche. Don't quit after one slow week. Stay consistent. And don't compete by being the cheapest. Compete by delivering real value. If this video helped you, subscribe to earn better daily. Every week, I share practical AI tools, online income ideas, and honest strategies that beginners can actually understand and use. In my next video, I will give AI exactly 30 days and $0 to see how much it can actually make me. You will not want to miss the results. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. Keep improving. And I'll see you in the next video.